Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to be giving you an overview about the advanced price movement predictor pro indicator for MT4. All right, so you're gonna find the link to this web page in the description. Okay, so just click on the link in the description and it's going to direct you to this. Okay, from where you can now click on this to get the link that will direct you to the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, unfortunately this indicator is not free. Okay, but you can actually try out the free demo, all right, for MT4. Now this indicator, as you can see, it helps to estimate immediate price movement. Let's just go to the charts based on the image that we have here. So this indicator helps you to predict the current trend. One is that it identifies the current trend for you. So if it is a bullish trend, it's gonna tell you trend up, right? If it's a bearish trend, trend down, of course. And then you can see that it also helps you to identify potential support and resistance zones, right? And then you can see it's a multi-time frame indicator. You can see important zones across different time frames, M15, M30, H1, H4, and the rest of that, right? So now one thing I'm going to advise for indicators that are not free is that before you commit any money or before you make any financial commitment, ensure that you test the indicator first in the demo. All right, ensure that the indicator functions the way you intend that for it to function before you make any financial commitment. All right, so the indicator is available here on the MQL5 marketplace. Ensure you try it out first on demo if you are interested in this indicator. According to the features, it estimates immediate price movement, calculates real market trend, most important support and resistance levels, algorithms optimized for making complex mathematical calculations, minimal drain of system resources and all of that, right? And it also self-adjusts for better performance according to the features. Okay, so if you click on the free demo, you can see they're going to ask you if you have MetaTrader 4. All right, if you have the MetaTrader 4, you just click on this, so that it's going to take you to the MetaTrader 4 in order for you to be able to test out the demo. Okay, but if you do not have the MetaTrader 4, you just have to download it quickly, and then of course you test it after you have downloaded the platform. Okay, so basically this is it for the advanced price movement predictor pro edition for MT4. Okay, for more videos and information on diverse indicators, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more videos like this. Cheers and see you in the next video.